Hey folks, CA Rachana Ranade here, and I welcome you all to our first live stream for 2026. I know this is not happening at our normal scheduled time, which is 9 p.m. I have to attend a family function, so I just thought that instead of skipping the live stream, I should do it in the afternoon at least. So here we are. What we are going to do in today's live stream, two things. First, we'll understand how typically January has performed over the last few years. And number two, I have come up with few names of large cap stocks which could have given a monthly breakout. So I want everyone to have at least one more device with you so that you can simultaneously tell me answers whether there is a breakout, yes or no. You have to tell me the answers. So it's going to be a fun exercise today. I've been telling this to you. Breakouts can be of multiple types. It could be a horizontal breakout, it could be a descending breakout, it could be an ascending breakout. So some nice names, some renowned names is what we're going to discuss today in our Thursday live stream. First things first, what about January? See, January typically has not been seen as a month where we see a crazy upward movement, at least not for the last 5 years. If I were to talk about January 2025, it gave a negative return of 0.5%. Negative 0.5 is barely 100% downward movement. Okay. If I were to understand about the previous year, January 2024, it gave a 0.03% negative return. 0.03 though, that's like nothing, right? Even if I were to understand about January 2022, again, barely, I mean, absolutely flat, 0.08% negative return. And if I were to check January 2023 and January 2021, these were negative movements of roughly 2.5%, which if I talk about current scenario, it will translate to barely 500, 550 points on Nifty, not a big deal. So all five almost in negative, none of them in big positive, all 5 Januaries, last 5 Januaries. So keep that in mind. For those who are like, we always used to think that generally January will be a pre-budget rally or something like that. But pre-budget rally does happen, but in specific sectors, not at an index-wide level. Okay, so keep that thing in mind. Now, with that said and done, let's quickly jump to some stocks that I have come up with you. First stock that we're going to discuss today is State Bank of India. So again, as I mentioned, everyone try and have one more device with you. I'm going to show you how to check breakouts, and you have to just tell me breakout yes or no. Okay. I just thought that I should be doing this activity at the first live stream of every month, where I can show you whether monthly breakouts have happened or not, because these are key breakouts. Monthly breakouts are typically considered to be important ones. And rather than going for small caps and penny stock cap, small cap, rather than that, I thought I should share large caps with you. So this is State Bank of India. This touched a high in January 2024. The high was of 912 rupees. And from that 912 rupees, it actually corrected quite a bit. And quite a bit is how much? Almost 25% correction. And from there, it has shown a rebound. Now, the question is that, has this stock given a breakout or not? Has it closed above this level of 912? You just have to tell me a yes or a no in the chat section. Because the latest candle that you can see is September 2025. I have not shown you last 3 months data. You will have the latest data with you all. So you have to tell me whether there is a breakout, yes or no. If I were to take this as the key level, why key level? This is like an all-time high for SBI, right? So let me see who gives me quick answers for a yes or no, whether there's a breakout in SBI or not. Okay, Neeraj Kumar, kya baat hai? Neeraj says check Ashok Leyland on weekly chart. I'll check that first. I'll just complete the stocks. Ashok Leyland weekly. I'll check that later. But till now, let's check maximum answers are by whom. Ankit says yes, monthly basis breakout. Yes, yes. I get one no, again yes or no. One more no, yes, yes, yes. SB about to give birth. Arre bapre. But volume is less, is what CubeStar says. Okay, yes, yes. Is there a breakout? Yes, yes, perfect. So one important point that CubeStar has also mentioned, that we will check breakouts. Again, through Michael has given the same point. It's a breakout, but volumes are not that much high. So everyone, whenever you are checking breakouts, don't check only price. Along with price, try and check action, so that you will get to know how much powerful that breakout is. If the breakout comes with volumes, then it's always considered as a positive sign. Okay. Shall we move on? We'll move on to the second chart, and the second chart is of BPCL. So everyone, you can check simultaneously if you want. Okay, already breakout. Fair. Okay, chalo. I'll quickly share my screen. BPCL. Okay. Now you can see BPCL. This stock has behaved in a specific pattern. If you see from this lowest point, which is like September 13, way long ago, but from this level around 50, it went up to almost 274. So that's like a almost 5x return. But after that, the stock corrected quite a bit, almost 50+%. And if you see here, this was the high, roughly 275. From this high, almost a 50% return, a 50% downfall. Again, up to this level, again retested to this level, similar, and finally it gave a breakout here in the month of February 24. From here, February 24, it gave a one-way rally till this, a 35% rally. Okay, this was the high that this stock made. After this high, the stock again went to a correction of almost 37%, and after which now we have to check whether the stock has broken out or not from this previous all-time high on a monthly basis. So the previous all-time high on a monthly basis is 375. So again, I want you all to tell me breakout yes or no, and we'll really appreciate if you can tell me with volumes. So breakout yes with volumes, or let me see if you can tell me this here. PCMK Aksha. Acha, PCM Kaksha. Sorry, PCM Kaksha says BPCL will rock this year. Okay, yes. Yes, breakout. Vinod says breakout, but with less volume. Okay. Almost, not fully though. Puncture. Okay. It's also breakout, but volumes are not high. Okay. Okay, breakout in September. Yes, breakout on monthly basis. Fair enough. Yes, without volumes. So basically, low volumes, as many people are saying. Fantastic. I think everyone is very clear on these two stocks. Oh, except Harish. Harish is asking, what is a breakout? Harish, it means that you have not done our course on technical analysis. For those who are not sure about our courses, we have loads of courses on our website, rachanaranade.com. You can see here beginner level courses, intermediate level courses, advanced level courses. If you want to learn the point that we are discussing right now, it's there in this technical analysis course, but you will not be able to understand this course directly. If you want to learn about stock markets, you want to trade confidently by yourself, you need to do 4 courses at least. One is basics of stock market, then technical analysis, then price action analysis. This will complete the technical analysis side. And of course, you have the fundamental analysis course, which will help you to understand which stock is fundamentally strong, good for a longer term. Okay. We had run a discount offer for New Year, and it was going to close yesterday. It was going to end yesterday, but my team got so many messages that I decided to extend the offer by one more day. Some said that we are out of town. Some said that we get our salary on the 1st. So that is the only reason why I've extended our offer only by one day. The offer ends today. For any single course, don't forget to use the coupon code New Year. And if you are interested in 2 or more courses, you can use the coupon code RRGIFT. In this case, instead of 10%, we'll get a 15% discount. As I mentioned, the offer will end today at 12 a.m. So anyone who is not yet enrolled, do enroll now. I have shared this many times, but markets, when they go in a sideways zone for a long time, and once it breaks out, and how. So if you want to really confidently invest during this breakout and this bull run, I think you should first learn and then invest with confidence. Okay. So Pooja has also given this message here. That's the code for you: New Year for single course and RRGIFT for a combination of courses, right? With this, let's move on. The third one is Maruti Suzuki. So again, I want you all to check Maruti Suzuki and tell me breakout yes or no with volumes or without volumes. Okay. For those who are wanting to get to the basics first, Maruti Suzuki, that's the chart for you all. And this is not a horizontal breakout. You can always say that this was the previous high and I would want to draw a line here instead of this line, and yes, it's a breakout. But if you check, this is like a pretty much longer term frame. The latest handle again you can see is of September. So what you have to do is, now anyways it's a breakout, because this is the August month candle, it's a breakout. This is September, so this is a confirmation candle also, correct? Now you have to tell me whether it is retesting or is it just going up. So you have to tell me up with volumes or just up or retest, or what has happened with Maruti Suzuki. That's what you have to tell me. What I did was, this is December 17. This I took as one touch point. This is the second touch point, which is August 24. And then this is the latest one, which is the breakout, August 25. So what has happened after this? Is it just up with volumes or retest? Okay, I get few answers here right away. Up with volumes, okay, going up with volumes. One I get is only up, but without volume. Can't be without volume, can be with low volume though. Again, up with volumes, up with volume, up with volume. Kya baat hai? Retest is done. Okay, breakout, breakout. Breakout ka hai, maybe they are answering the previous one. Here we just want whether it's up or not, and up with how much volume. So up with volume, maximum. Majority people are saying up and with volume. Okay, fantastic. Okay, so Maruti Suzuki also, I hope everyone is clear. This was an example of an upward trending breakout. Let's move on with the next one, which is Hero MotoCorp. Again, an interesting chart to check. So let me just pull out Hero MotoCorp for you. Here you go, Hero MotoCorp. And this was the high point that we saw in September 24. After September 24, we saw a big correction of 46%, after which the stock started to rebound. And what you have to check again is there a breakout or is it still at resistance? If it has broken out with volume or without volume. So it could be breakout with volume, breakout with less volume, or it can be just at resistance. I want answers from you all for Hero MotoCorp. Okay, let's check. I am not sure from which one. Achha, I had seen this comment. Okay. Oh, no, sorry. I think CubeStar is talking about this stock. Yes, breakout with volume. Resistance with volume in December 25. Achha, you are saying it's at resistance but with volume. Okay. Breakout with volume but awaiting confirmation. What is breakout with resistance? There is nothing like breakout with resistance. It can be breakout with volume, or it can be it is at resistance but it has good volume. Okay, yes, high volume, up with volume. Yes, breakout. Yes, breakout with volume and EMA 9 crossed. Very nice. Okay, breakout and retest. Okay. Right, but I think breakout and with volumes again was more of a majority. And with that, let's come to our grand finale stock, which is Titan. So let me share my screen again. Again, an interesting chart. So let me share it. All right, that's the chart for you. You can see here that this stock has been in a consolidation for quite some time now. This was the high that it made, almost 3,900 back in January 2024. A slight pullback, again try to test this, a slight pullback. Again, the line that I've connected is September 24. Again, a pretty big pullback from here, from September 24, which was the market high. From there, we saw almost a 25% correction almost. From there, again, trying to reach this again, but this is the last candle is of September 25. I want you all to tell me whether there's a breakout in Titan or not, or whether it's at resistance, and if breakout with volumes or without volumes. Okay, breakout with volume, yes with volume. Breakout with रेजिस्टेंस टेस्टिंग, ऐसे कुछ नहीं होता है. अवेटिंग कंफर्मेशन. ओके, सो ही सेइंग ब्रेकआउट है बट कंफर्मेशन पेंडिंग. टाइटन आग बंद करके ब्रेकआउट विथ रीटेस्टेड and good volume. Okay, without lower volume is what he's saying. Breakout with volume, breakout with volume, horizontal breakout with volume, breakout with volume. Okay, maximum as breakout with volume, just one or two here as without volume. There's nothing like without volume. You can say low volume always. Breakout with confirmation with decent volume. Okay, perfect. Tarun, technical analysis course, that's a must. Okay. क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Ankit, you have won the title of best comment today. Like video, high view volumes but with less likes, which is breakout. So like करो guys, क्या बात है, क्या बात है. So volume is views is high, but to have a proper breakout for this video, you will need likes. So everyone smash the like button. Very nice, Ankit. All right. One final, even I thought I should tell one more. So everyone check Punjab National Bank, PNB. I don't like this stock fundamentally, honestly. But I'll quickly share one last from my side, Punjab National Bank. Okay. You look at this. This is October 2010. From here, this was a high. Just show this to you. This was the high. Then a low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a higher low, higher low. Okay. Now what is important from here? What has happened actually is important. Is it still at the resistance, or has it broken out? If broken out, with volumes or less volumes, is you have to tell me. Resistance or breakout with volumes or breakout with less volumes. Tell me this. I've just joined these touch points. I'll just close this. The touch points being, by the way, this is, I've just taken the body of the candle, November 10. Then you can just, of course, this will be like a little bit here and there because there's no clean way to do it. There will be some points where maybe like this, because then we get one more touch point here. Okay, so what do you think? It's resistance, breakout, what? I get a lot of answers. Resistance, 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 at resistance. A lot of answers khadakat with resistance. And Amay is also saying resistance with less volume. Okay, theek hai. Fantastic. I think everyone has answered. Majority of you, if you now, I always say this, that those who are watching our channel regularly, you may comfortably say that they know how to analyze stocks. They know how to check the volumes, check the resistances, check the support. So definitely you can give more weightage to their thought process. Ashok Leyland, someone was saying cup and handle. What I'll do is 1 minute. In September, now October, November, December. Okay, I've cut out the chart. I'll just share this. Someone had asked specifically about Ashok Leyland. Before that, your students are awesome, ma'am. Kudos to them. You're also one of them, right? Okay, so let me just. Will this be uploaded to YouTube? Yes, it will be. So again, entire screen I'm going to share. Someone had asked about Ashok Leyland, but it was not just asking what about Ashok Leyland. Very clearly, that person had mentioned weekly chart and cup and handle. So here you can see that this is what weekly chart, August 2024. From here, we saw a correction, and the correction was of almost 30%, almost 27%. From here, we saw an up move again back to this point, September 2025, September end candle. So this is like a U. Now the question is, was it just a U, or is this like a cup and a handle has followed? I want you all to tell me. Ashok Leyland weekly chart, Cup and handle, yes or no? I want you all to tell me. Ashok Leyland, cup and handle, yes or no? You can also tell me breakout, yes or no. Waiting for answers. Oh, lot of answers. Yes, yes, yes. One no in between. Again, yes. Rachana ma'am, please see Ashok Leyland from 2018. It has formed cup and handle. Uh, for such a long time frame, a little bit difficult to say cup and handle. Okay, but okay, I mean the overall structure remains the same, right? All right. So I think quickly have checked the checked few comments. So overall, I hope you have understood that what is the opinion for cup and handle. Uh, this is it. 5 6 stocks I think we have discussed, and I just thought that every first I mean first live stream of every month we should be focusing on monthly breakouts. So that is the reason why I thought that January 2026 first live stream, let's do on breakouts and let's explain the, because monthly breakouts are something to watch for. uh, that's what we discussed. ITC, yes we did discuss today. That I mean, I can't tell whether monthly breakout or not, but yes, I have shared the overall chart, be it latest 3 months cut, but I've shared it with you all, and you can check it. Okay. Uh, Hi, ma'am. Can you share your view about MCX stock split and long term invested? Oh, MCX is definitely a fundamentally strong stock. If you are if you are a pro investor member, please check out the video on MCX. We have explained that stock in absolute detail. We have explained the business model. We have explained the business strategy that MCX used. What I remember is specifically the gold petal strategy or the gold mini strategy that they had used, that definitely helped them to increase volume in their overall, I mean, as an exchange turnover, it definitely helped them out. So September, it's a high stock. Okay, September 2025. September 2025 was the stock of the month. Okay. Uh, Santosh is asking, what's written on your T-shirt? It says खर्च कशाला पाहिजे, खर्च कशाला लागतोय. Why do you need to spend? Okay, it's okay. Right, I think Reliance weekly time frame cup and handle, currently it is consolidating. It's consolidating, and can we see a breakout based on technical? Okay, everyone requesting you to check Reliance Industries weekly time frame. Check it quickly. Okay, you can check Reliance Industries weekly time frame, and interesting again. What can I show you? What? Okay, let me just October, September. I'll just share this. Now, if you see here, this is September 2024. From here, we saw a big correction. This must be around 30% at least. 27, correct. So, almost 27-30% correction. Again, went up till here. Question is whether it has again come up till here or not, and what next. Okay, that is what you can check out. Cup and handle, yes or no? If you can tell me. The cup starting point should be taken as September 2024, 23rd September candle, weekly candle, and then you have to tell me whether it's like a cup and handle pattern, yes or no. I can't. I can see different stock names. First tell me for Reliance, yes or no. People are yes. It's like a cup and handle, but at resistance. Okay. Yes. Yes, Reliance cup and handle is there. Okay. Okay. Yes. Cup and handle pattern. Okay, fair enough. Loads of yeses already. Samir says yes, but resistance breakout required. Fair enough. All right, so I think that is it for today. I got some feedbacks that if we can keep our live stream less than half an hour, it will be easier for those who are watching it at a later time, because watching a live stream of 45 minutes, 1 hour after the live is over, it becomes a bit tricky. So we will try and keep it like up to half an hour, so everyone who wants to even watch it later, maybe in 2x speed, it will be easier for them. I know. I maybe you joined in a little bit late. It was supposed to be at 9 p.m., but I have a family function to attend. Last time I forgot about that, so I have to be there. I would have been required to skip the live stream, so instead of that, I thought of taking it early. So that's the reason why it was taken at 4. Okay. Anyways, before I close off today's live stream, one quick reminder: anyone who wants to upskill, today is the last day. Today at 12 midnight, these offers are going to expire. Any single course, if you want to enroll, you can use the coupon code New Year to get a 10% off, and you can use the coupon code RRGIFT5 to get a 15% off on combo courses. It's a nice way to upskill. These are the different courses. And just in case, as I always tell, 4 courses absolutely essential for stock market investing: basics of stock market, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and decoding price action analysis. These are your 4 courses for go-to. In membership, if you feel that you want to enroll for our pro investor membership as well, that's the one that you can check. As I mentioned, don't forget to use the coupon codes so that you can get some extra money off. Offer ends today at 12 midnight. Okay, so I think that is it for today's live stream. Next Thursday, that is 8th of January, I will not be in town. I'm going to Dubai. So, and unfortunately, 8th is my travel date. So I'll not be able to take a live stream on 8th. I'll be taking a live stream directly on the 15th of January. So please make a note of this. Next Thursday live stream. Next Thursday, no live stream. Okay. Kya baat hai? CubeStar says, I have taken fundamental, technical, and price action, and very glad. Kya baat hai? Thank you so much for such a nice review. He says, ma'am, launch RR mutual fund. Kya baat hai? Kya baat hai? Let's see. Rajesh says, Dubai chocolates, please. Okay. All right. How to know that it is a time to sell a stock? On what basis? That's pure play technical analysis, price action analysis, nothing else. Okay. All right. I hope you found a lot of value in today's video. If you have still not smashed the like button, please do that. I'll see you in the next one on 15th of January. Till then, take care. Jai Hind and bye-bye.